Good morning, everybody. Well, the good Lord give us another one. I'm up here at my favorite bait shop again, having my coffee again. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know the deal. Standing up here talking to Mr. Mike, Mr. Ronnie, having a good morning, sitting here talking about fishing and carrying on and how big a fish they catch and all that. We all know.
David ain't here.
Yeah, Mr. David ain't made it yet. We waiting on him so we can get out there and try and get up that river. But today we're gonna try some new stuff today, y'all. We're going to some different stuff way on up the river. Just see what's going on up there. Kind of get out of the crowd a little bit. And I can't promise you that I will pay attention to what's in my videos sitting over my holes, man. That daggum red cooler, boy, is like a beacon in the night, man. But anyway, once Mr. David gets here and everything, we'll try to get over on the water, and I hope everybody has a blessed day, and we'll see y'all out there on the water. All right, y'all, we made it to the water. A little bit cooler this morning than it was the other morning, but I ain't gonna stop us though. But I got Mr. David with me this morning. Yes, sir. We finna go up here and see if we can't get back on some. But we're gonna try a few new spots today. I think I'm gonna go a little bit further, like I said, on up the river, and before this mud gets here coming from up north. I think they were calling for like about 3 foot coming from up north with all that rain we just had. And we're behind the front, so that's the way it is this time of year, front after front after front. So we're gonna be fighting that. It's high pressure. But anyway, we're gonna try and get up here, see what we can do with them. And hopefully we'll see y'all here in just a minute. I saw him, buddy. He just boiled right there, and minnows shot all out of there. I don't know if it was a bass or a crappie, but Mr. David, it's about 10 foot all the way up to that. It's probably deeper than that now since it's up, but 10 foot of water all up under that crap. They calling them ducks, ain't they? I said, they calling them ducks, ain't they? Yeah. I saw another one hit right on. I don't know if it's a crappie or not. I don't know why they ain't biting their jig. Of course, I guess they got to find it first. Thing is, the bait's right here. I keep seeing the bait. That's the second fish done hit right up here. I don't know what it is. That's the second one. We're finna find out. Shooting darn cannons, ain't they? I got that one, though. I got that one. Oh, little old bitty turd, man. That's all right. He pulled the string. Lilin. Butter bean. Oh boy, now that was a big one, dude. Golly, man, how in the world? Whoo, man, how in the world did I miss that fish, buddy? I got a piece of him though. They down there. You missed one, I caught one, I just missed that one. Oh, dadgummit. He had it. Never felt him though. when he grabs it. If he hit it again. Come on, get it, bud. I got him then. I got you then, buddy. They're gonna have to get bigger than that, though. That's all right. I still love him anyway. Boy, you talking about biting slow. Whew. Man. You see the bait right there, Mr. David? See the rings? Look out, they're coming up right on them. Richard Jean says if you find the bait, you'll find the crappie. Dadgummit. He hit it again. Got him. Got him. That's a keeper there, boys. Woo! Woo! That's what we're talking about. Oh, yes.
That's some nice.
Yeah, we just need to slow down. Slow down. Take our time. There you go. Boy, I put it too, oh boy. Man. Dang. Well. Oh, boy. Yeah. I put it to him. Oh, dang. Y'all know what's coming. Y'all know what's coming. Bam! Right on top of the head, buddy. Yes, sir. What you think, Mr. David?
That's a nice one.
Yes, sir. All right, let's see what we got to do here. Give me some. Boom! Hey. There we go. Barely move it, Mr. David. Barely move that joker. There we go. He don't make the grade though. He don't make the grade. He sure don't make the grade. Ooh, look at this one right here. Great day in the morning. You talking about a butter bean. Oh, but I love him anyway. Yeah, I love him anyway. That joke wasn't much bigger than a jig. It's taking him a long time to decide to get that thing though. You just have to barely move it. Let it hang there. They ain't in no hurry. Ooh, there he is. There we go. Dang, gotta get them bigger though. We need them bigger. That's what I'm talking about. They all fun though. He hit it just hanging it just like that right there, Mr. Dave. Oh, dadgummit. They just ain't biting real good. That's what it is. Cause that one right there I just missed. I was just holding it there. Went to pick up on it, he had it. I never felt him get it or anything.
That's the way he done there at Tire Creek the other day. You looked at your rod and all of a sudden it would just kind of do this.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Barely start going down. You wouldn't feel nothing.
Yep.
And pick up on it and it was on
Here's another one good one. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Jeff just caught a nice fish.
Good land lake. There we go, old fatty. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Whew.
I might be able to do that.
We gon' eat tonight. We gon' eat tonight. We gon' eat tonight. What I'm talking about, boys. Bam! Went down there and got that sucker. Went down in there and got that dude. Didn't have my dang camera on again. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I thought it was. Another little old butter bean. Another little old butter bean. Look at him. Look at him. Ain't he pretty, y'all? Yum, yum, yum. That joker there took off with it like a catfish. I never felt him get it. I wonder why some of them would grab that joker like that one did and skin out with it, and some of them just hit it one time and won't, that's it. They won't mess with it no more. Do it, Mr. David. That's a keeper, baby.
About time.
That's what I'm talking about, bud. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Do it, Mr. David. Oh, yeah, nice.
You want him?
Yes, sir.
And he just snatched it and ran.
Ran, yeah. Here's a big one. That's a big one, dude. Golly, come on, baby. Oh, no. Oh, there she comes. There she comes. Oh, man. Woo! Oh, man, that's what we're talking about. Oh, man. Woo! Good fish, man. Good fish. Boy, that gets me all fired up. Boy. Woo! Son. Man. Whoo! Man. Man, oh man. Oh, that was another good one. Oh, man. Dadgum. That was another good one. There he is. That's a big one too, boy. Golly, what a fish. Get the net out, Mr. David.
We got one.
Yes, we do. It's under my thing right there. Oh, gosh, and that's a dang big old largemouth. Great day in the morning. Woo! Woo! Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
How does it work?
Gotta pull that back.
Oh, okay.
Man, I thought I had my 3-pounder, buddy. Well, I did actually.
Yeah.
That was the wrong species. Woo! Look at that one, baby. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about.
That's a nice
Woo! Yes, sir. All y'all bass boys, y'all eat your heart out. Mm-hmm. Man, I thought I had my 3-pound crappie then. Well, look at that, Miss David. She is pretty.
Yep.
Man. Thank you, old girl. She was fat too, boy. Man, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all know what's coming. Bam! Right on top of the head, buddy. Yep. Beautiful. All right, old girl. I'll let you go. Oh, man. She thumped the fire out of it. Boy, that felt good. Woo! Man. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oh, fight him, Jill. Woo! Oh, yeah, that's what we're talking about, son. Yes, sir. We locking in on now, baby. Woo, boy. Oh, yeah. Give me some, Mr. David. Boom. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Man, that's why I thought it was hung up on a limb. I thought it was hung up on a limb. Yes, sir. Dadgummit. I had another one. I got him. I got him. Oh, it's another good one. Good. Man, look at him, boys. Look at him, boys. Woo! Oh, yes. Oh. Oh. Whoo. Whoo. Where you hung at, buddy?
Look.
Oh, Lord.
It's all in that.
Oh, you on that daggum. Hold on, buddy. Just hold tight. Let me see if I can pull us over there. Let's see, I can grab hold of it.
They're begging.
Hey, look here, you got. I'm sorry, y'all. I had the camera on. Mr. David got him a whopper, man. Oh, Lord. Oh, man. How deep are we, Mr. David?
8.5.
Oh, man, we got to get out of here. This ain't gonna work. Oh, man. That was good. Yeah, it's a big one too, boy. Golly. Come here, baby. Woo! Tell me there ain't no crap in there, son. Whew, I knew it. I knew it. Just too pretty, man. Just too doggone pretty. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Look at that, y'all. Whoo! Boom, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Boy, she's pretty. Ah, she's beautiful. 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 Ain't tricking me, man. I knew it, man. Mr. David. Here, buddy. Cut that darn thing right there so you can fish. Hold on. There you go. Now you can fish, bud. That's a good one. That's a good one there, Bubba. Yep, and he ain't coming out there to save your behind, boys. That stuff is, he's unwrapped up in that thing. Whoo-wee, look at him.
You gonna need him?
I don't know. I ain't gonna keep him anyway. So if he comes off, he comes off. I just don't get it, dude. That's a good one. That is a good one. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah. Boy, look at that one, son. Woo! That's what we're talking about. Nah, I got enough in there for me. Yep, look at that. Oh, yeah. Whoo, boy, she pretty.
Yep.
See, come back to this hole. Look how thick she is. Come back to the hole and take your time, man. Take your time. I dare want to put his lips on it. He did. He did. Oh, you got me hung up. Oh no. Oh no.
Give him a minute.
There he is. Come here, baby. Oh, you messed up then, partner. Oh yeah. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. Here we go. Another good one. Yep. Hit the old clicker. I don't know what he got me around down there, but that was just that old moss, man. I don't think it's wood. Come here, baby. Boy, it's taking a long time to hit that sucker. Golly. I just had to bounce, bounce, bounce. Little old Fry Daddy. Yes, sir. Let him go. Let him live. There he is. Come here, baby. Oh. Whoo, boy. Another little one. Great day in the morning. Them little suckers right there offend the crap out of you. Well, I'm trying to get you unhung, buddy. There you go. Little turd head, little butter pain. Little butterhead. Hey, 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 look at that, boy. Look at that, you can't catch one, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Do it, Mr. Dave. Whoo, son.
Thought I had another turtle there.
Yeah. What I'm talking about. Another slabber, buddy. Dang, Mr. David done went over there and caught him one. There he is. There he is. That's a good one too, boy. Great day in the morning. Woo! Fight, baby, fight, baby, fight. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Whoo, boys. Boys, boys, boys. Looky there, looky there. Man, yeah. Boom! What's what I'm talking about? Look at that, Mr. Look at that. That's what a good one looks like, Bubba.
Yeah.
You want to hold it? Huh?
Hook him on there.
Hook him on yours? Oh, man. Oh, man. Here's another. Oh, that's big here, Bubba. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a dang jack. You sorry dog, you. Dang. I thought I had him again, Mr. David. No. Oh, sorry rascal. You old sorry rascal, you. Man. Wow. Old slimy joker. Oh, slimy joker. Oh, dang well, it's crappie right there. And I'm fixing to catch him too. I told you he was in there. Oh boy, I'm in a mess now, buddy. He has straight rolled me, buddy. I mean, he has rolled. Here he comes. Here comes that little turd. All right. Told you, buddy. He little, but I told you he was in there.
You told me.
Oh yeah, little old pet. Yeah, we're gonna name him Mr. Ronnie. That's Mr. Ronnie right there. I got it behind him. Oh my God, look at this. It's a big one too, Bubba. Ooh, this is a dang big one. He feels big. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo. Woo. Oh boy, that's what we're talking about. Man, yeah. Oh yes, beautiful. Man. Oh, beautiful. I can't believe I got it behind me. I got him in, Bubba. Oh Lord, look at this, Mr. David. Look at this. Oh, freaking there we go. I don't know what he's hung on right there, but there he goes. All right, y'all, this gonna wrap this one up for me and Mr. David. Had an awesome time today, wound up catching 22. So we done fairly well, I think. We did lose some. Lost a pile of dang jig heads today for some reason. But anyway, we had a good time. What do you think there, Mr. David?
Good day on the water.
Yes, sir.
Good day fishing. Eating better than any day at work.
That's right, absolutely. All right, y'all, I think we're gonna make this one a catch and cook. So I got 4 slabs in there that I'm gonna take home with me, and we're gonna see if we can't do a little catch and cook with this one. So I'll see y'all back at the house. All right, y'all, I made it home. Thank the good Lord. We finna try something new today on this here catch and cook. And it's one of my subscribers and one of my guide trips, Mr. Stacy, shout out to him. We're gonna try and make some crappie patties. So what I've done, y'all, is I didn't bore y'all with cleaning them. I already got them filleted and ready to go, laid out here on my tin foil on my pan. I just put me a little butter down there under them, and I'm gonna sprinkle them with some garlic and some Old Bays. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in the oven for probably about 15 minutes just to firm them up a little bit, and then I'm gonna tear it up just like salmon is, and I'm gonna mix in 1 egg white and then some onions and stuff like that. Then I'm gonna soak them in the Frank's Red Hot, batter them, and fry them. So I don't know how this is gonna go. It sure sounds good, so we're gonna try it out. So I'm finna bake these for 15 minutes, and I'll get back with y'all here in just a second. All right, y'all, I just pulled my fillets out. I had them in the oven for 15 minutes on 350, and that's what it's looking like. Got in the bowl, got it crumbled up. All right, and here we go. All right, the first thing we're gonna put in there, hope y'all can see this. The first thing we're gonna put in there is gonna be our onion powder. A little bit of onion, just a little bit. Don't need a lot of this because I'm gonna put some onions in it anyway. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of garlic. There. Bit of garlic in it. And a little bit of Old Bays. That right there. All right, then we're gonna add, now I just got this old mix right here from the grocery store. It's got onions, bell peppers in it, all that good stuff. Put it in there. Get it right there. Boy, it smells good already. That in there like that. All right. Then we're gonna take 1 egg white, y'all. 1 egg white. I ain't never been good at doing this right here, but just 1 egg white is all we need. All right, get that old dude in the trash can. That right there. All right, then we're gonna go to mixing her up. Here we go. Oh yeah, boy, that's looking good already, man. Man, yes sir. Oh yeah. Mix it all up good. Get her all mixed up. Oh yeah, y'all can put whatever, you know, as far as seasonings go and whatever y'all like in it. But like I said, this is my first time doing it, so you know, I don't know. It sure smells good, it looks good. So I'm hoping it's gonna be all right. Get it like that right there, y'all. I think I got them mixed up pretty good. And I got my batter right here, which is the Louisiana classic fish fry. And so what I'm gonna do, take these old bad boys. Let me get I forgot to get my daggum grease going here, y'all. So y'all hold tight 1 second. Think what we're gonna do it like this right here till that gets going. I'm just gonna take them and pat him out in my hand like this, just like that right there, just like that. Then I'm gonna put it over here in my Frank's Red Hot, cause y'all know I love me some Frank's Red Hot, bubba. Just like that, and then throw it right here on the batter, just like that right there. Oh man. Oh man. Whoo boy. Alright, get it like that right there. We're gonna let that old grease fire up. And once she fires up, we're gonna hit the old skillet, man. So y'all hold tight. Alright, y'all. Right there, I got them going, man. Boy, if y'all could smell them. Woo, son. Man, that smells good. All right, well, I'm gonna fry these bad boys up and I'll let y'all see the end results here in just a minute. So y'all hang tight. All right, y'all, here's the end results. And I got to say, they look awesome. Ooh, man, check that out right there. All right, well, let's give it the old taste test. Here we go. Lord, thank you for this food. Oh man, great game on. Woo! Boy, you don't get no better than that right there. Man, I'm telling you, oh, man. Woo! Yeah, y'all. Oh man, that is off the chain, man. You ain't gonna get that in no fast food restaurant, bro. I can guarantee you that right there. I want to thank the good Lord for this right here, for giving me these fish today. This is awesome, y'all. Well, look at here, y'all. Try this. I'm serious. This is good. This is just off the chain, man. This is awesome. But look at here. I want to thank every one of y'all subscribed to my channel. If you hadn't already subscribed to my channel, go and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the old like button. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And look at here, Lord willing, I'll see y'all on the water.